Hey guys, in this video I'm going to show you how to change search engine inside of Google Chrome. If you find this video helpful, please consider to like this video and subscribe to my channel. In saying that, let's just jump straight into the video. Okay, so first step is open up Google Chrome, and as you can see, I've got Google as my default search engine. So if I want to go ahead and change that, I want to click on the three dots, click into settings. On the left hand side, we've got search engine. Now, to the right, search engine, so you can see Google is my current default search engine. If I want to change that, go ahead and click on change, and now we've got 5 different options. So we've got Microsoft Bing, Yahoo, DuckDuckGo, or Yandex. So if I want to make Microsoft Bing my default search engine, click on set as default. Now if that search engine isn't in that list, what we can do is go back and click on manage search engine and site search, click into that. Then from here we can go ahead and add a new site search, or we can go ahead and remove here or make default as well. So go ahead and click on add, and we can add that. And we got also, if we scroll down, we've got your inactive shortcuts as well.